Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G513. In this video I'll show you how to manage media panel. By default, to use media panel, simply press F9 to F12 buttons or print screen, scroll, lock or pause. Press F9 to play pause, F10 to stop, F11 to skip backwards, F12 to skip forward. Press print screen to mute or unmute. Scroll lock to decrease and pause to increase volume. If the G-lock is enabled and Fn key is inverted, you'll have to press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.